Hello dear students, today we are going to understand practical geometry, that is unit 4 of class 8th. In this chapter we will understand how to construct a quadrilateral with the given conditions. So there are 5 situations. The situation 1, when 4 sides and 1 diagonal of quadrilateral are given. The case 2, when 2 diagonals and 3 sides of quadrilateral are given. Third case, when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. Case 4, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. And case 5, when other special properties are known. So let's start with exercise 4.1, that is related with case 1, that is when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. So the first question of exercise 4.1, that is construct the following quadrilaterals. First part, in this quadrilateral the name of quadrilateral is ABCD and the conditions are given. Side AB is of length 4.5 cm, side BC is of length 5.5 cm, side CD is of length 4 cm, AD side is of 6 cm and AC side is of 7 cm. So the very first step we have to do for such questions is we will draw a rough sketch of the given quadrilateral. Means in rough sketch you need not to draw accurate measurements. We will just draw a quadrilateral. We will give name A, B, C, D. It is, so I have written A, B, C, D. I'll write measurements from here on this rough sketch. Like AB side is given 4.5 centimeters. So I'll write here it should be 4.5 centimeter. Side BC should be 5.5 centimeter. Side CD should be 4 centimeter. Side AD should be 6 centimeter. And the diagonal AC should be 7 centimeter. Now let's understand how to construct this quadrilateral. So whenever diagonal is given, we will start with the diagonal always. Like here in rough sketch I can see diagonal AC is a 7 centimeter. So my first step will be I'll draw a line of 7 centimeter. Means firstly I am drawing the diagonal. Here it is 7 centimeter. So this is line AC 7 centimeter. Now in the next step I want to draw a line of 6 centimeter, that is AD. For that we required compass. What we will do, we will open the compass of 6 centimeter. Means we will take radius 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. And I'll keep the compass on point A and I'll mark an arc like this. Now next arc, it is CD of 4 centimeter. So I'll open the compass. I'll take radius 4 centimeter. Now I'll keep the compass on point C and I'll mark another arc. These two arcs will intersect each other at the point D. So it should be the point D. So what we will do in the next step? In the next step we will join AD and CD. The same process we will do for this side. So I'll open the compass. I'll take radius 4.5 centimeter. I'll mark an arc downward. I'll take radius 5.5 centimeter and I'll keep the compass on point C and I'll mark an arc. So let's see. Now I have to take radius 4.5 centimeter, students. 4.5. Here it will be. Now AB should be 4.5. So according to this, I'll keep the compass on point A and I'll mark an arc downward AC like this. Okay, now for BC it should be 5.5 centimeter. Take radius of 5.5 centimeter, keep it on C and mark another arc. These two arcs will be intersect at point B. So this is point B, this one. So in the next step I'll join AB and BC. Like this. So A, B, C, D, this construction is not completed. We are supposed to write down the measurements in this constructed quadrilateral. So AB is 4.5 centimeter. So we will write here AB 4.5 centimeter, BC is 5.5. So we will write BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD 4 centimeter, and AD 6 centimeter, and AC 7 centimeter. Now we are going to write the steps of constructions also. So the very first step, we have drawn AC 7 centimeter. So we will write the first step, draw AC 7 centimeter. In the next step, we were keeping A as center and we are taking radius. Like here we have taken radius 4.5 centimeter. Here by taking C as a center, we have taken radius 5.5 centimeter. We draw both the arcs. Both the arcs will intersect at the point B. So we will mark it point B. In the next step, what we did, we joined BC and AB. So I have written join BC and AB. Similarly, we did the steps for this. We have taken A as a center. We have marked an arc of radius 6 centimeter. We have taken C as a center. We have marked another arc of 4 centimeter. These two arcs are intersecting at point D. After that, what we did, join AD and CD, and ABCD is a required quadrilateral.